I do have children, and I was at the Yankee game yesterday. So I was concerned when I heard it on the news that, gee, this could happen at the Yankee game, Giants, anywhere. But I think you have to live your life and just hope that you're not one of the unfortunate few. You don't let them control where you go and what you do.
So you would let your children go still to shows?
Yes.
Yes, but you still have to live life, so we still have to be out here. But definitely, you're always in the back of your mind, apprehensive, you're worried, you're kind of looking at exits, you're doing what you need to do to, I guess, stay relatively safe, but you just never know.
I have two children, a daughter who's 15 who has tickets to go to a concert soon. So we've been talking about it a lot in the family, and she asked me if she should go. And my advice was, you know, this is the world we live in, and I can't tell her to not go or to go. It's very difficult. It's very, very sad.